California dreaming about you.
Hello guys, in the previous video we learned how to create a basic window, but we have not yet discussed about how to create those basic widgets, the user interface widgets like buttons, text fields, labels, etc. And in this video we shall be introduced to those user interface widgets. And as a start, let's learn about the labels. Now labels are just plain text that would appear on a window. Without much introduction, let's get started. Let's start our IntelliJ, create a new project. It will take some time. Leave everything as default, not a command line application. The name will be labels of the project. I have already created a project, already created a directory inside local disk E and IntelliJ projects folder or directory. Click finish, it will create everything for us. Okay. It's taking some time. You can see some processes are carried out on the background. Expand this, right click on the source directory, click on new and create a new Java class. And let's name it as labels. Now, for a couple more video tutorials, I'll be coding along with you all those boilerplate codes, but after that I'll be skipping that part since that is just a waste of time. So, as usual, the three imports: Java X dot swing dot asterisk, then we are having the Java dot awt dot asterisk, then the unused import Java dot awt dot event dot star. You'll be using this import from event handling. This is required for event handling. Since we are not dealing with event handling here, that import is not required, but let it be there. Okay, then we are having the constructor. The constructor has the same as the class. The labels extends, that means it inherits the properties and methods from the JFrame class. Okay, labels, spelling mistake there. And the body of the constructor. At last we are having the main method, the static method, return type of void, takes an array of strings as parameters, public. Okay, and where our labels class is being instantiated, GUI equals new labels. Okay, everything's fine. And now let's code in those boilerplate code, those pre-built methods available. First of all, the call to the superclass, which sets our window title, so which takes a single string parameter, and in this case let it be labels. And the second method, the set default operation, and set it to jframe dot exit on close. Okay, fine. Now we are having set visible method and set it to true, which takes a boolean parameter, and when we set it true, the window becomes visible. And at last we are having the set size method. Okay, please bear with me, those spelling mistakes always happens, and which takes two parameters, the width and height, in the order respectively. As you can see, the name of the parameter has been automatically filled in by IntelliJ itself, what the parameter actually is. Now let's talk about how to declare a label and how to embed it to the window. Now, first of all, we need to declare a label. For that, we are having the label class, and the only job is to instantiate an object of the label class. For that, we have declared a label of, and have given the name of the object as L1. Inside the constructor, we can instantiate the label, and it takes a parameter which is sent to the constructor. Okay, and the parameter is what should be the label. So in this case, that will be hello world. That's fine. And now let's add it to the window, and simply we can add it using the add method and supply in the object name. Now if we run this code, build the project, takes some time, and if we run this code, we will be getting a label somewhere on the window. Yes, you can see the window has been made visible, and also the text has also came up there in the location. Now let's make the window set resizable to false as well. Okay, Now let's build it again and run it. Okay, as you can see, we can resize the window and the text stays where it was earlier. Now we are having certain layouts as well. So you may have heard the term earlier. Layouts are just rules in which the user interface widgets are laid on the window. So let's set a layout. For that, we are having the set layout method, which takes an object of a particular layout. In this case, we shall give it as the first case. Let's keep it as null. Okay, if we build this and run it, you can see that we are not having any labels because we set that layout to null. Okay, now if you are providing any layout, in this case the flow layout. The flow layout is one type of kind of layout that Swing offers. Now in this parameter list of the set layout, we can either provide null or an object of a layout. So here we are providing the object of the layout by this syntax. New flow layout means we are instantiating the flow layout class. So if we build this project and run it again, you can see that the text has been displaced to the topmost portion. So if you provide one more label, that is L2, if we instantiate it, L2 equals new label. As usual, provide the parameter as a string parameter, and that will be hey, just meaningless words in this context, and add it to the window. Okay, that's L2, and it will be just next to the our previous label. It will be having hello world hey. As you can see, we got the result intended. And now you have learned how to create a label, how to instantiate from the label class, how to embed it to the window. Now okay, and that's it. So hopefully you have learned about labels, that they are just plain text that provide some information to the user or commands the user to do something, such as enter a number, and you provide a text field for the user to enter a number. And we shall be learning about other UI widgets like the buttons and the text fields in the upcoming videos. And that's it for this video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and also leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you find any ambiguities, any doubts there. And also I will be uploading the project to GitHub, and also keep linking the and also providing the link in the description, so have a look at the description area as well. And so also I would also suggest you to share this video so that everyone can benefit. And that's all for this video, and thank you for watching.